Hey guys, what's up? I'm RJ Ahmed, and basically this is my first video on my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to be talking about how to make money online. How to make money online. Basically the thing is that whenever someone tries to get on the internet, mostly entrepreneurs search about how to make money online, because mostly people do that thing on Google or any other platform. So today we are going to talking about how to make money online. So basically there are three ways through which you can make money online. The first thing is that e-commerce. So e-commerce is basically means electronic commerce, and there are two types of e-commerce in that. The first one is got a mistake. Basically this is my first video, so the first thing that is available in e-commerce is the branded e-commerce. So what is mean by that? It is meant like if you have a professional brand and you are promoting your own content like your own materials, and you have to manage all the fulfillment services and all the staff and all that stuff. This is counted as the branded e-commerce, and in my opinion it is not user friendly at all, because you have to take care of all the stuff that is happening at the back end, rather than like trying to do your business. So it's not user friendly in the start if you are planning to make money online. So it's a little bit hard for the people who are trying to make money online in the first way. So the second one is basically drop shipping. Most of the guys that know about drop shipping is basically you set up a store, you put a products on your store. Basically it is a Shopify store, and then mostly when you get an order, you don't have a physical products in your inventory or in your home, etc. But the thing is that when you ever get an order, you go for supplier like on AliExpress or any other dropshipping sites or any other e-commerce sites, and then on that site you basically put the order, and then simply you fulfill the orders. So basically dropshipping is a friendly way to start your online business, because in this way you get to know that what is the procedure if you later start building a proper e-commerce business. Because I think so dropshipping is a user friendly, but still you need a bit of investment to do, because you have to run ads and you have to buy the plan of Shopify or some other e-commerce sites or platform where you want to create your website. So there is a typical way and there is a proper investment, so that later on you can get success in dropshipping. But still dropshipping is a great way to make money online. So the next thing that occurs is affiliate marketing. So in affiliate marketing there are two types of affiliate products that you need to promote. The first is the high ticket products. So what is meant by high ticket products is those products that can give you the highest number of commission that you can get out of a product when you promote. So how affiliate marketing works is that, like, there is a company and you promote their product, and once someone buys product through you, you will get the commission, which is basically affiliate marketing. So what is meant by high ticket products? High ticket product is basically like if you have the product that is basically from $500 or $1,000, through which if you get even to $30 commission, it's still $300. So it's a good way to start affiliate marketing in a good way. So there is the one thing that is high ticket products. The other thing is basically recurring commissions. Recurring commissions. So what is meant by that is recurring commission is mean that you get paid on the monthly basis through that affiliate program. Like if I mention it, there is a program called ClickFunnels. In ClickFunnels, if there is its plan is $97 per month, but still if you promote it through your link, and when someone buys through your link, you will get $30 commission, which is $38 out of $97. So it means that you will get, for one person, you will get $38 per month until the guy you have referred is in the ClickFunnels plan. So you have to try to get the high ticket product or the recurring commission, and in my opinion, ClickFunnels is one of the best affiliate program right now. Or you can go to ClickBank, you can promote your affiliate products from there and get a high commission. So the third thing basically is digital products. So there's a lot of choices in digital products. As you can see that it can be courses, one-on-one coaching, or any other ebooks, or let's say one-on-one call. These things get in the digital products. So according to me, there are the two business that is okay is the affiliate marketing or dropshipping, because the thing is, in dropshipping you still have to invest some money, but in affiliate marketing you can literally use your organic traffic to get good results. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like this video and share for more, and until next time, peace out.